safely peek it?
I'm peeking. I don't see anyone. Not moving around. Doors are open.
Hey, SA, I cut down your tree. Hey, will it speed up the process if we cut it at the same time? Like, on one tree?
Yeah, I think so.
Fucking, it still work if you have someone fucking batting it down.
Punch it as well?
Yeah, punching it.
Yeah, I think it'll work.
Person hold axe, everyone else punch.
Hey, can we cut down one of those electrical posts?
No, that'd be godlike though. Wait, where is it?
Turn down the door. Structure. I'm behind
Oh, I
you
see
guys.
you guys.